Hey, what's good, my people? Welcome to today's video. In this video, we're just going to go over a beginner strategy. If you're new to the Forex industry, you're new to the trading industry, doesn't matter what you're trading. It can be Forex, commodities, stocks, options, whatever. This strategy that I'm going to give you is the best trading strategy that you can actually use. It's very simple, as it doesn't have a lot of complicated things. It's back tested, and I'll show you the stats after we finish reviewing it. Plus, you can actually start implementing it as soon as today, not even tomorrow, today, and start making money. So if that sounds interesting, please do stick with us until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that bell notification, share with a few friends that you believe this video will be of value to them. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. Cool. By the way, this in front of you is gold. We were anticipating to see prices break off. Now we'll be waiting for this retest before we take an entry. So let's dive right into this thing, So the strategy, let me use a chart that I don't use. The chart the trade that we're going to be using, the strategy that we're going to be learning, it's very simple, and it's actually based off structure. You don't need any indicators. You don't need any fancy keywords, any fancy, words like I don't want to mention words because people say I'm aiming at a strategy, but the strategy is so simple. You literally, all you need is price data. Like the price, as clean as it is right here, that's all you need. That's all you literally need, right? So as you can see in front of us, we have the New Zealand dollar versus the USD. So the strategy that I'm going to teach is actually called price action. Literally, this strategy, what you have to do, or what you have to actually, the way you trade it, is that you actually trade by using market structures, right? When I say market structures, I mean structures in which the markets have actually valued or have actually shown hold some potential strength in the market, right? So for instance, if you see here prices were rejected, here prices were rejected, here prices were rejected, and here prices are being pushed higher, this is a potential market structure, right? Meaning that prices actually see this place as of value. Like prices don't really just mess around with this structure. So that means prices can come here, will be rejected, and should prices be able to break above it, they won't easily get back below, because once they reach here, they'll be rejected to go back to where they came from, right? So the strategy is actually just based off market structures. Now, this is an example of drawing a market structure. Now, what you want to do is that you look for market structures. You look for market structures in the markets, which you'll find plenty. So once you find these market structures, you'll find some are lower than others, some are higher than others, doesn't really matter. So after seeing the market structures, what you want to do is you wait for prices to actually violate one, right? So if prices were above this market structure and they break below here, what you want to do is you want to wait for a retest to retest these market structures before prices keep on pushing lower. That's when you look for entries, because rarely will prices break a significant market structures without retesting it. As you can see here, prices broke above this, gave us a retest, and prices seem to be continuing going higher. I don't really trade the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. That's why I haven't taken any trade. But should it have been any pair on my watch list, this is my watch list, I would have immediately pulled the trigger. Now, another thing that you want to do while trading this strategy, if you're looking for a sell trade, you have to wait for prices to break below, give you a retest, and then let the trade move all the way until the coming market structure before you exit the trade. If you are taking a trade in a buy setup, you want to wait for prices to break above this structure, give you a retest, before you see prices continue pushing higher to the next market structure. So as simple as this is, it's insane. It's as simple as this is, it's actually profitable. It's actually profitable. And a lot of people don't really use this strategy because I think they think it's too easy. I don't know. But the reality is it really works. Now let me show you the stats. For instance, these are my stats. You can see it has over a 64% win rate. 64% win rate. And you can see here, out of 12 months on the books, only 1 month, which was January, did I have a losing month. All of the rest were actually profitable months. All of the rest were profitable months. And the pairs that I trade are only these 5. You can see here, I've actually customized my trading pairs. I've reduced them to only 5. So it's Euro USD, JPY, Euro USD, Euro JPY, GBP USD, and CAD JPY. So you can see how profitable this system is. It's actually back tested with a whole year worth of data, indicating profitability at over 64.6%. So that means out of 10 trades that you take doing this, out of 10 trades, you'll win 6 out of 10 trades. You'll win 6 out of 10 trades, and then you'll only lose 4 out of 10 trades. So even if prices only move until 1 hour and then you close your trade, you'll still be profitable. You'll still be profitable. But obviously, as you understand, I always tell you, never take a trade unless it's at least 1:3. Unless it's at least 1:3. Risk to reward. That means you're risking $1 to make $3, right? So that means out of 10 trades, how much will you be making? You'll actually be making 18. No, you'll actually be losing 6 to make 18. So that will be your profitability factor in every 10 trades. You'll be losing $6, 6%, whatever you want to risk to make 18. So at the end of the day, when pull comes to shove, you'll actually end up being a winner trade with over 12% in your favor, right? So it's very easy, very, very easy, guys. I promise you, this is all I literally do. Obviously, I do add a couple of tools to it. I add some trend lines, Fibonacci's to it, but literally, this is the basics. These are the main roots. This is the foundation of my whole strategy. But if you'd like to learn more about the strategy, when I take the trades, how I implement them and all that, there is a course linked in the description that you can actually get the whole course to actually learn this strategy. Back tested with everything as I've just shown you. It's foolproof, very simple. You don't literally need to be spending hours in front of the charts describing, naming parts of the market. Literally, it's all very simple. You see a structure, break, retest, we move on. We don't have time to waste. We got paper to chase, you know the vibes. But anyways, if you've watched thus far, I really appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Please do share with a few friends that you believe will find value in this video. Also, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, because I'll be dropping gems on how you can improve this system to actually make it sharper. So turn on that bell notification. You don't want to miss out. Till next time, I appreciate you all. Take it easy out there.